Packet Tracer, Discover 3, Part 5.1.4, and it's configuring static routes. So what I've done is copy the instructions from this window and paste them into Notepad. What I also did is I made notes for each route, each interface. So for example, Fast Ethernet 00 on this router. Here's the network address with the CIDR notation, and then there's the IP address for that interface, and I just did that throughout the whole activity to make it easier to identify what's going on with static routes. So the first part is to go to the branch router, do show IP route, and all it shows is the directly connected interfaces. And the first step is to put these static routes in. Conf T, okay, paste, exit, WR to save it, and go show IP route. Now it shows our static routes. So it'll tell you the 192.168.2.64 network is reached via 192.168.2.130. In other words, to reach this network up here, you have to go through the .2.64 interface. And that's why I made notes for each interface, just to make it just makes it easier to understand rather than just copying and pasting everything in the headquarters router. This is our two instructions, because it only has to worry about traffic coming. It only has to reach to two routers. It doesn't have to go 3 hops. So I can go show IP route. All it has is the directly connected networks. We go conf T, paste, exit, WR to save it, show IP route. Now it shows our two static routes that we added. It shows the network and what interface to reach that network by. For the ISP router, there's 3 routes to set up. Conf T, paste, again exit, WR to save it, show IP route. Shows our 3 static routes and the 2 directly connected networks. The next part of the exercise is to take PC1 and ping PC2. Ping 192. 168.2.126. That's PC2's address. That works. Now we're going to do trace route to the server. Go 209.165, 200, 254. This is a trace route hopping around these different networks. And that's all you have to do with this exercise.